Hey everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I work with older individuals who sometimes need oxygen. So I'm here to tell you about the VARON home concentrator and how easy it was to actually put together. So there is very little assembly required. The wheels pop, literally pop on. You attach the outlet to the back, you turn it on, you have to put water, and look, all you have to do is just a little bit of distilled water from home goes into the container, you pop it in, you turn it on, it talks to you. Like, how great is that? And then you set for how much oxygen flow that you need, up to a flow of 9 liters, all in this small portable concentrator. Now, super easy to put together. It's very light and quiet. So this is great for nighttime option. Okay, now 2 things I'm not a fan of for this model is that it actually has a really short plug. So it's not like you can really like take this to roll. And that the wheels are actually kind of small, so it doesn't move as smoothly on carpet surfaces as I hoped. But it's one of those things where if you need the oxygen to sleep, then this one is a great keeper because of the quiet. It is so quiet. It talks to you. It doesn't even weigh that much. It's like 7-8 pounds.